Knit versus crochet. What's the difference and which is easier to learn? I walked into a yarn store and wondered, should I knit or crochet? Both crafts use yarn, both make beautiful projects, and both have devoted fans, but they're actually very different. Today, I'm breaking down knit versus crochet. What makes them unique, which one is easier to learn, and which projects work best for each.
Knit or crochet, learn which one you want to do. We can start by learning the difference between the two. You can decide which one you would like to do and get started on your crochet or knit adventure. What is knitting? Knitting is done using 2 needles, and your stitches stay live on the needles as you work. The fabric created by knitting is usually smoother and stretchier, more drapey, often thinner and more fluid. Knitting is especially popular for garments because it closely mimics the look of store-bought sweaters. What is crochet? Crochet uses 1 hook instead of 2 needles. Each stitch is completed before moving on to the next, which makes crochet more structured. Slightly thicker. Very versatile for shaping. Because you're only working with 1 active loop, many people find crochet easier to fix if you make a mistake. Which is easier to learn? This really depends on the person, but here's a general breakdown. Crochet is often considered easier for beginners because you use 1 hook instead of 2 needles. Stitches are easier to see. Mistakes are easier to undo. Knitting can feel easier if you like repetitive motions. You prefer a smoother, uniform fabric. You're interested in clothing right away. The best choice? The one that feels fun and not frustrating. What can you knit? Knitting is ideal for sweaters and cardigans, makes great projects for gifts and more. Socks are great because they stretch. Hats with lots of stretch, these are perfect for the cold winter months. Gloves and mittens to knit for anyone in the family or to give away. Scarves and shawls with great drape for wearing any time of the year. If you want soft, flexible, wearable items, knitting really shines. You can find lots of knitting patterns and projects on sites such as Etsy, YouTube and many others. Try an easy pattern if you are a beginner. What can you crochet? Crochet is amazing for blankets and afghans for kids, baby, home decor and more. Amigurumi and stuffed toys to make for kids and craft fairs. There are so many great patterns available. Bags and totes for the park, beach, and even to carry your yarn around or store your yarn in. Home decor like baskets, pillows, and coasters are fun to make and give as gift items to friends and family. Lacy shawls and decorative items for just about anyone that would love a beautiful item that is handmade. Crochet excels at structure, texture, and creative shaping and is easy to learn. Are some items better knit or crocheted? Yes, absolutely. Socks and fitted sweaters, usually better knitted. Blankets and toys, often better crocheted. Bags and baskets, crochet holds shape better. Lightweight garments, knitting gives better drape. That said, there are no rules. Many designers mix both crafts in one project. My preference, knit or crochet? Personally, I love both, but I tend to reach for crochet when I want fast results, texture, or home decor projects. Knitting is my go-to when I want something soft, wearable, and classic. If you've been wondering whether to knit or crochet, try both. You might discover you love one, or become a proud bistichel who enjoys both crafts. Winking face. Let me know in the comments, are you team knit or team crochet? If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crafty inspiration, and I'll see you in the next one.